Alright, today we're going to be talking about how to use the AUX jack for your iPod. Basically, you're going to be transmitting music from your iPod to your Subaru audio system. So what you need is an iPod, a male-to-male connector. So you're going to plug the AUX jack, one of the connection points, into the AUX clearly marked in the glove compartment. Once that's plugged in, you're going to take the other jack and plug that into the headphone port on your iPod. Once connected, you go to your audio system up top, turn it on. You want to click the CD AUX button on your Subaru's media center. Once the display pops up on your screen, press play on your iPod.
The number you have dialed